Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your remote start in the 2022 Kia K5. I have in front of me here a GT line all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the button for the remote start is located on the side of the key fob here. You can go ahead and lock the vehicle. I can press it once or twice, up to you. You can go ahead and press on the side and hold that button for a few seconds. You'll see the lights flash and the vehicle has now turned on. It will run up to about 10 minutes before it shuts itself off in case you don't go up to the vehicle. You can unlock the door by hitting the unlock on the key fob, or you can use the button on the outside of the door handle as well. If you happen to open a door and you didn't get into the driver's seat to put your foot on the brake, the vehicle will turn itself off after about 20 to 30 seconds. And now we're gonna head inside here. And you'll see the climate control, the dual zone climate, has set itself to a default 22 degrees. And to get everything else turned on and running, all we have to do is make sure the key fob is in the vehicle. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap the brake, and then you're gonna see everything else is gonna turn on. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.